12BL here, and we have a review, because I can't think of any more videos to do but reviews right now. And I guess we have a review of a John Deere 160, it's between 1/64th and 1/50th scale skid steer motor. Very big. It's an okay model. It's no detail. All it is a deer basically. Skid steer, basic. Okay. And of course, some models aren't that fabulous, and this is one of them. So, and we'll get on with the review, I guess. So first of all, as you can see, the bucket. Zoom. The bucket comes off very easily. Darn it, I'm in Zoom. I'm sorry guys, I'm in Zoom. It's really disgusting. So, put that bucket back on. Hold on, sorry for bad filming stuff. Well, they're okay filming, but see, this is my second time making this video, so sorry. So, as you can see, the bucket tilts up and down, as well as the booms. No cylinders on it, just the Deere logos. See, Deere, pretty doll. There's a little one too. And then the wheels spin, no detail on the bottom. Seriously. And then there we go. And then the cab. I'm sorry this is taking so long. It's really like 50 seconds. There's a fake grill on the back. Fake, no detail at all on this. And here's the exhaust pipe, which doesn't even look like one. And the cab has some fake stuff on the side. Doesn't even look real. There's no holes in it. And then nothing on the roof. And then inside, sand, and that's all. And I guess that's it. And I guess it's Cat 312BL here.